In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in a Zoom meeting. Polls are a simple way to gather quick feedback, check understanding, or make your meetings more interactive. We'll walk through everything from turning on the feature to launching your first poll, so you feel confident using it in your next session. First, sign in to Zoom on your desktop browser. This part is important. You'll want to use the Zoom web portal, not just the desktop app, because the polling settings and the poll builder live in your browser. Once you're signed in, make sure you're using the account that will host the meeting where you plan to run the poll. Next, go to Settings and turn on Polling. In your account settings, locate the polling option and toggle it on. If you don't see it right away, check under the meeting-related settings. Turning this on enables polling for meetings you host. If the toggle is locked or grayed out, it may be managed by your organization's administrator, so you'll need to have it enabled at the account or group level. Now schedule a Zoom meeting. From the Meetings section in the web portal, create a new scheduled meeting with your usual details like topic, date, time, and security settings. Scheduling is key because polls are attached to a specific meeting. If you already have a meeting scheduled, you can open that one instead and add a poll to it. Open the meeting details and click Polls. In the Meetings Overview page, scroll until you find the Polls area. This is where all polls for that meeting will live. Click Create to get started. Click Create Poll and add your questions. Give your poll a clear title so you can identify it quickly while you're live. Add your questions and answer choices, keeping the language short and unambiguous. Decide whether each question should allow a single choice or multiple selections, and consider whether you want responses to be anonymous. Keep polls concise. 1 to 5 questions is usually plenty, so participants can respond quickly. When you're done, save the poll and double-check the wording to avoid confusion. When it's time to meet, start the meeting from your Zoom app as the host. Once everyone is in, you're ready to use the poll you created. Click Polls to launch the poll. In the meeting controls, open Polls, select the poll you prepared, and launch it. Participants will see it pop up on their screens and can respond right away. You'll see responses appear in real time, which helps you gauge engagement and timing. Give attendees a moment to answer, then continue with your agenda using the insights you've gathered.